Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope everybody had a great Christmas, because today I am back with another video, and this time I'm going to be doing a beautiful set of pink nails. So the first color that I'm using is Spitfire by Pure Ice, and these you can find at Walmart in your local, Walgreens, or just any drugstore. So I'm doing that on the pinky and the ring finger, and then I'm doing it also on the other hand. Some nails I'm gonna do full bling. One pinky I'm gonna do with half of the tip with the bling, so I'm just gonna switch it around a little bit. And then for the rest of the nails, I'm gonna be using my bubble bath gel polish by OPI, and it is a gel polish. This color is super popular with all of my girls, and this one I just get from either my local nail supply store, which is like $12, or you can find it online, and I'll try to leave the link below. But it is a really popular color by OPI because it's like that perfect shade of pink, and then it also looks cute if you do just one coat or two coats or even three coats. It's just going to be a lot more pinkish. So again, it is a gel polish. They also have a regular polish to go with it, but I'll try to find the link below, or I'll try to look for the link and leave it below. But as always, we're curing each coat for 30 seconds, and the color Spitfire by Pure Ice is a regular polish. So I'm going to go ahead and do a layer on this one as well. And then that glitter that she has on that middle finger is by Coco Glitter. I'll leave her link to her Instagram below so you guys can go check her out. Alrighty, so we're going to cure that one for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to come back and do a second coat on this hand. Again, this is in the color Bubble Bath by OPI. I'm doing that on the ring finger and the thumb and curing each coat for 30 seconds. And then as always, you can do one coat or two coats depending on how like pink you want. As you guys remember, my last set of nails, I had the same color, but it was just one coat. And then as you can see with the glitter pink polish, I'm only doing two coats on the nail that I'm gonna leave like all glitter pink, and then the other one I'm gonna do the bling over. And for this pinky and then the other hand's thumb, I'm gonna do the IBD gel top coat, and I'm gonna go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna come back and apply the chrome. For me, I have to make sure that I only cure for 30 seconds. Anything over 30 seconds, my chrome won't stick. So everything or everyone's is going to be different depending on what top coat you use. But whenever you're doing the chrome, you do want to make sure that you're using a non-cleansed top coat. And again, for me, I only have to cure for 30 seconds. If not, the chrome will not stick. I'm going to be using one of my what is this called, like angel dust. It's like a pinkish chrome, and I just use a makeup wedge sponge and just rub it on the nail. But basically you just have to like work with it and see what works for you, whether it's curing the top coat for 1 minute or 30 seconds. But it's just a matter of just playing around with it and seeing what works for you, because again, all top coats and all lights are different. So yours might require to cure for a little bit more or cure for less. But anyways, after this, we're going to go ahead and apply some bling. So as always, I'm going to be using my Mia Secret gel resin, my wax pencil. I'm going to be using some pink bling by Crystal Princess, and then I'm going to be using my regular AB SS6 and SS12. Alrighty, so I applied the Mia Secret Gel Resin, and now I'm going to go in with my ABSS6 and SS12, my pink ones by Crystal Princess, and then I'm also going to be applying some white pearls. And for this pinky, as you can see, we're only doing the tip. But again, I applied the Mia Secret Gel Resin, and then as always, just go back and apply some more as you go. You don't want to just apply it all over the nail because it will dry up. So make sure you just apply it as you go. And then as always, we're just picking up the bling with the wax pencil and just placing it on the nails and making sure that we alternate between different sizes. Alrighty, so for this one, I'm just going to do a few just scattered around the nail. And as you can see, I did like dots of glue, but obviously since the glue is clear, sometimes I kind of do lose where I place my glue at. So you could do a whole layer of glue over the whole nail and just quickly apply the bling all over the nail before it dries. Or you can just do the dots of glue and then of course just kind of look for those dots and just apply the bling on them. Alrighty, so for this one, again, we just applied the glue, which is the Mia Secret Gel Resin. I always start placing my bling closer to the cuticle area, work my way around the nail, and then just going in and filling in the rest as I go. And then as always, make sure that you alternate between the two different sizes or however many sizes that you're using. That way they're not all just the same size. And then also, again, just fill in the nail as you go, as well as add glue as you need it. Okay, and for the middle finger, I'm going to be doing kind of like an ombre. So we're going to place the rhinestones closer to that cuticle area, and then they're just going to scatter out as they get closer to the tip. Alrighty, and once we're done placing the bling, we're going to spray those nails with the Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator. As you guys know, that is just the activator that helps the glue dry faster. Since the glue is a resin, it is a little bit thicker than just regular nail glue, so it is going to take a bit longer to dry. So with the spray, it literally kind of just freezes that glue into place. But after that, we're going to go ahead and just apply the IBD gel top coat on the rest of the nails and curing for 60 seconds. Alrighty y'all, so here is the final look. They turned out really pretty. Those different shades of pink look really good together. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNail32, and I'll see you guys next time.